All right, this is 2017 Subaru Impreza. I'm gonna show you how to open the trunk, okay? So I'm sitting in the driver's side part of the vehicle, right? I am going to take my camera and I'm going to show you. I'm gonna go underneath right here, and there is a switch right here. Do you see this lever? This lever, I'm gonna pull the lever until it clicks. And do you see it clicking? Do you hear it clicking? All right, so now I am going to go outside of the vehicle. And I'm going to walk around the front, okay? I'm going to walk to the front of the vehicle, and I am going to look down, right? I'm going to look down, and then there is going to be a little black lever, and this vehicle is black. It's hot for some reason, I guess because it's a hot day. And I'm going to move it to the side and then lift up on the hood, all right? And I lift up on the hood, and now the hood is up, and now I have to put up this stick right here. It's hot. I put it in the wrong location, but it's supposed to go right there, and that's how you lift up the hood. This is not where it goes. It actually goes in there, but the hood is really hot, and I can't touch it right now. But that's how you get the hood open, but then you have to put the slot into the right area, which is right there. And that's how you open the hood on the 2017 Subaru Impreza. Thanks a lot for watching. Let me know if you have any questions.